To deactivate your Instagram account using the app, start by tapping the three lines at the top right. Then go to Account Center. From there, tap Personal Details, and then choose Account Ownership and Control. You'll find the option to deactivate or delete accounts. You'll see a list of all the accounts linked to your Instagram. First, pick the account you want to deactivate. Then, tick the box that says Deactivate Account. After that, tap Continue. Next, enter your password and tap Continue again. Instagram will ask why you want to deactivate your account. Just choose a reason from the list and tap Continue. On the next page, you can decide if you want your account to reactivate automatically after a certain number of days, like a week, or if you want to reactivate it manually whenever you feel like it. Pick whichever option works for you and tap Continue. Finally, tap Deactivate Account to finish things up. Your account will now be deactivated until you log back in, or it will reactivate automatically if you chose that option.